Hi, I'm Tanner with Nature's Ultra, and today we're going to be talking about some of the changes in our partnership with Young Living. At Nature's Ultra, we're committed to providing the highest quality CBD on the market. Our commitment to adhere to Young Living's seed-to-seal quality standards has helped us make a name for ourselves. As we mentioned previously, our partnership with Young Living has allowed us to spread the benefits of CBD to the world like no one else in the industry. But in order to accelerate the tremendous growth we've already seen, we're taking the next step. Nature's Ultra is now officially a Young Living product line. Let's talk about what that means for you. First and foremost, becoming part of Young Living comes with certain efficiencies, which has allowed us to drop our prices. You'll now be getting 24% off retail price like all other Young Living prices, and there's no linking required. Now you can get the CBD you love at even more competitive prices. This reduction in price will also make it easier to share Nature's Ultra CBD product with others, and you can find new prices by searching Nature's Ultra at youngliving.com. You can now find Nature's Ultra products in your virtual office alongside the rest of Young Living's impressive product lines like India Red, Thieves, and of course, essential oils. Just like Young Living's other product lines, you'll be able to place Nature's Ultra products on your Essential Rewards order, so you can ensure that you've been getting the CBD you need on a monthly basis. You'll also be able to place a one-time order with our incredible products. Now let's talk about the sign-up process. This experience has been dramatically improved. Starting with Nature's Ultra is as easy as creating a Young Living account and placing your order for Nature's Ultra products. To help support the sign-up process, we are launching 2 versions of a premium starter kit, which includes top sellers like Calm CBD Roll-On, CBD Muscle Rub, and Citrus CBD Oil in regular or extra strength options. Like other premium starter kits from Young Living, these kits are aggressively priced and should give a head start to anyone looking to incorporate CBD into a healthy lifestyle. Best of all, ordering Nature's Ultra products will allow you to qualify for PB promotions and earn essential rewards points. These kinds of perks just weren't possible when Nature's Ultra and Young Living were separate companies, but we're thrilled to offer them to you moving forward. This move is a natural progression and the final step in our partnership with Young Living Essential Oils. With a reduced price, easy to sign up process, and perks like PV promos and essential rewards points, there's never been a better time to try CBD products from Nature's Ultra. We've seen countless comments on social media about the effects of our products have had on the lives of product users, and we can't wait to see that number grow by being part of the Young Living ecosystem. Thanks for watching another episode of CBD 101. Don't forget to subscribe and see more educational CBD content, and we'll see you next time.